You clicked this video because you feel like everyone else is getting twice as much done with AI while you're still chasing the next magic tool. This year, I've tested over 100 different AI tools, and the 5 I'm sharing with you in this video actually deliver. By the end, you'll have every tool you need to get more done without working harder. By the way, I'm Evan. I study how top performers use AI and systems to be more productive in life and work. I test tools, strategies, and workflows full-time so you don't have to waste any effort on the weekends. Now, this first combo is how I go from no idea to clear plan in a matter of minutes. ChatGPT 03 paired with deep research is basically your thinking engine. It's what I use to plan content, map projects, and build roadmaps without wasting any time. Here's the problem most people run into when they use ChatGPT. They open up the tool and they type into the prompt, "Build me a weekly plan," and what they get back is usually generic, pretty useless advice. But when you treat it like a real assistant, giving it context, goals, and structures, it transforms into a personal thinking machine. I'm gonna give you the exact setup I use, so just open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. "You are my planning and research assistant. Always ask clarifying questions before giving me an output. Utilize structure with checklists and timelines, and always prioritize short bullet points." Now, every time I start something new, I just run this prompt. Here's the outcome I need, then I insert what I want for the next week. Here's my constraints, so how many hours I could put towards this goal a week, and maybe what tools I have available. And then I ask ChatGPT to design it in a 3-step checklist. Discovery of the information I'm gonna need, a draft of everything relevant, and then an actual delivery of the outcome I want. Now, that single prompt is gonna take you from a fuzzy goal to a day-by-day plan that you can follow instantly. Now, if I'm trying to go even deeper in a topic, I'm not only going to use ChatGPT 03 model, I'm actually going to use the deep research capability. So I'll toggle deep research and ask this: run a research sweep on whatever topic I'm trying to look at. Give me an exact actionable plan that I can do in 5 steps based on all the sources you find. In 30 seconds, I've got credible sources, a tight outline, and an actionable plan, something that would usually take me hours to develop. It's how I wrote the entire video outline in one sitting. If you've ever wasted an afternoon researching, this completely replaces that. It gives you the clarity you need to start working instead of just sitting there thinking. Now, once I've got my plan developed, the next bottleneck is finding answers fast. That's where Perplexity comes in. Perplexity is my answer now, source it later tool. It allows me to get quick answers to any question I have immediately. When I'm fact-checking, comparing workflows, or working on a presentation, this is the first tool I go to. Instead of guessing, I'll immediately ask it to give me 3 different roadmaps to creating the best content plan. Tell me what I need to do exactly. In a few seconds, I have an entire summary of everything I need to understand, with clickable citations, so it's going to provide me the sources for why it made the decision that it did. There's no fluff, there's no filler, there's no guesswords. It only gives me exactly what I need. Then I ask Perplexity to turn this into a decision matrix. It'll include the must-haves, the nice-to-haves, and the extras. It's like ChatGPT and Google had a baby. It gives you all the answers, all the proof, and the next steps you need to carry on. Now, I'm about to give you the pro move that gives you the extra angle on top of Perplexity to make it even more effective. But first, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, to take Perplexity to the next level, I copy the output I get and I send it back to ChatGPT. I ask it to refit this output into my role, my schedule, and my tools. So Perplexity gives me the answer, ChatGPT gives me the necessary depth to actually make it apply to my real life. Now, outside of planning, there's another reason Perplexity really stood out to me this year. It's built for speed under pressure. Whether you're in class and you need a quick answer to a teacher's question, or you're in a meeting and you want to provide some extra facts behind what you're saying, all you do is open Perplexity, type in your query, and you get your answer along with cited sources within seconds. It's just like having a fact checker on standby, one that's ready to answer questions 24/7. Once I have my ideas and my research sorted, there's a next step. I need to turn them into a system. Now, that's where Notion's AI is going to come in. Now, on my channel, I've been pretty against Notion overall. I think it could be a bit complicated, but Notion's AI is where it really stands out. It's like having a second brain who's always there writing with me and working with me. It turns everything into an actionable system that updates automatically based on the notes I provide it. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build this, so stick around. Start by creating a database and naming it Weekly Output. From there, I want you to add these fields. First, task. Second, outcome. Third, status. Fourth, next steps. This is going to give you everything you need to know what you're working on, when it needs to be due, what you're trying to finish, and what you need to do next. Then, inside of that, you're going to add a template block with Notion's AI using this prompt. Rewrite the summary into goals, constraints, and a 5-step plan inside of checkboxes. Suggest what to delegate and what to do now. Now every note's automatically going to get transcribed into something you can actually work on every single time. Now every meeting, idea, and project gets captured at once, and Notion AI turns it into a plan for you. Now after every meeting, I just take the notes I gathered and send it in. I immediately put in summarize and I get my action items. But the best part, it doesn't just organize your projects and your meetings, it organizes your thinking. Notion AI is going to recognize patterns across your different work progresses. It's going to understand what you're wasting time on, what's moving the needle, so you can know what you need to double down on to be more productive. That's what transforms Notion AI from a storage bin into an actual second brain. Now at this point, your research is done, your questions are answered, your system's built, but there's one more thing you need to get control over: your time. Now that's where Reclaim AI is going to come in. If you've ever said to yourself, I just need more time, I can't get everything done, this tool gives you that time back. It syncs with your calendar, so it will literally take the task you're working on and find the best time to plug it in. So you don't need to manually update everything you're doing day to day. It's going to do all that for you using their AI. Here's how I combine it with Google Calendar to put in the least amount of effort for the biggest result. Create habits such as a focus block for 90 minutes or a 30-minute weekly reset, and assign that to the Reclaim AI. You can also sync the Notion AI we just built with the last tool into Reclaim as well. This will take all the actionable steps that you created on the AIs and link them across. Now, when you get your work schedule or any sort of school meetings you may have, Reclaim is going to balance out your tasks around these meetings. Now, at first, I honestly did not trust it. It sounded way too good to be true, but that's when I was blown away. Reclaim spotted even tiny gaps that I didn't see, like 45-minute gaps between phone calls that I could be making better use of. It filled them with focus time, workouts, or even recovery, but it was a much better spend of my time compared to the scrolling I was doing before. Now, after I used Reclaim AI over the past 2 months, my calendar finally stopped fighting me. It didn't feel like my days were going by in a blur. It finally felt like I had that control, and that control made me over 10 times more productive, to be honest with you. There was no guilt, there was no rescheduling headaches. It was pure momentum. But now let's move on to the fifth and final tool I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, Raycast AI. Now this is going to speed up everything we've already worked to establish. It's a small thing, but it can turn your keyboard into a literal command center. Every second you spend clicking through different files, rewriting emails over and over again is time you have to take away from the tasks you're actually working on. So I'm going to give you a 15-second Raycast setup that's going to make your keyboard way more effective. Install Raycast and enable the AI. Then I add quick commands just like this. Summarize the clipboard in 5 bullet points for any meeting. Draft a polite email using these points. Create a Notion task titled this for this due date. Now Raycast is going to do all of those things for me and save me hours over a month or two. Then I bind everything onto one single hotkey. I don't need to switch my tabs or even move my mouse. I just know I need one thing done, I click the button, and it's instantly done for me. It feels like having a real assistant who's just fast. There's no friction, there's no drag, the work just gets done. And that was the #1 trait I found in all 5 of these tools. They're fast, they're effective, and they allow you to get more work done in less time, making you more productive than you would be without them. So that's your system. You have your planning, you have your research, you have your draft, you have your scheduling, and then you can ship it out even faster using Raycast. And if you really want to dive a bit deeper into ChatGPT, I suggest you go check out my next video. It shows you exactly how to supercharge the new ChatGPT agent. It's agent number 5. I'll show you how to tailor the AI to run exactly for you. It'll make your drafts, it'll make your plans, and it'll even help you execute more efficiently. So thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one.